Today is the day to mukbang. Oh my god, the rice. You know I live in a Filipino. I don't want to speak Tagalog. Ah! Rice. Rice. Ice. Rice. Nice.
Mama, nagbibideo si ate.
Shut up. And mix.
Ate, huwag ka na sasama sa ano ha? Sa libaw ha?
Shut up!
O, di ba kumain ka na? Magluluto. Ano luluto ni mama ulit?
Ewan ko. Nani, mix. First bite for
Ate,
you.
sana hindi tayo nakapay sa wool.
Fault mo yun na kakagabi.
Ha?
Mistake.
O, ikaw yun ano?
That's your fault for not sleeping, bro.
Ba't ikaw rin eh? Ikaw rin nag-play sa wool eh. O, ikaw, that's your fault.
That's what you get for playing Sons again.
Kukuha lang
Super
ano eh.
tasty.
Tala. Tala na.
Super tasty.
Ate, sabi natin, machitala.
So tasty, guys.
Who is that? Receiver.
I was so hungry. I've been waiting for seconds.
Shut up.
Tita Kimat's dahat nasa taas.
Wala yung ano chinelas eh.
Red, chineras niya.
Wala lang nga eh.
Why don't you look at them? Can you just look at upstairs?
Nalook ko na, I didn't know.
Liar.
Every day.
I didn't hear them.
Because nasa loob ka.
Shut up! I would hear a footstep if you're going upstairs.
Wala na nga siya, umalis na.
Little liar. You gotta say, tell me that you love me.
Uy, gandang paputok.
Ah?
Wala. Ay, ito. Ate, ano to? Guess mo to.
Escape getting crushed from brain rots.
Ano?
Escape from